Hello everyone. Today we will do a rapid fire test. In this test I will show you jumble of actions and sounds. You have to name it means what sound is there, what is the name of that sound, and what action is that, what is the name of that action. So let's begin the test. Here are the rules of the test. You have to give 2 points for every correct answer and share your marks at the end of the quiz. So here is our first question. Just listen to the sound carefully and watch the clip also carefully. Let's begin with the first question. Question number 1. What do we call this sound? You. It seems impolite in social settings. Correct answer is burp. A man is burping. Burp and burping are essentially the same. Burp is the noun form while the burping is the verb form. They both refer to the release of the gas from the stomach through the mouth. Question number 2. What do we call this action? Correct answer is snap. I love the sound of a finger snap. Finger snap is the noun form while finger snapping is the verb form. They both refer to the action of creating a snapping sound by quickly pressing and releasing one's fingers together. This is how finger snap sound. Question number 3. What is this sound called? Oh, this sound is quite unpleasant. It's like harsh grating noise. It's definitely not a sound that most people enjoy hearing. Are you still figuring out the name of this sound? And the correct answer is scrape. When you finish eating, make sure to scrape any leftover food off your plate. It helps with cleaning. Leftover means the food which is left in your plate. Scrape refers to the sound made when utensils such as forks or knives come into the contact with a plate. Next question. What is the term for this sound? And the correct answer is sniffle. Every time I catch a cold, my nose gets stuffy and I can't stop the constant sniffle. Next question. How can we describe this action? Watch it carefully. Watch the action carefully. And what is this action? Name the action. The correct answer is cracking knuckles. After a long day of typing, I like to relieve tension by cracking my knuckles. Can you describe what action happening in this video? What do we call this action? The correct answer is paper crumple. I accidentally crumpled the paper while trying to fit it into my bag. Let's proceed for our next question. What do we call this sound? Whoa. The sound is really bone chilling. The correct answer is door creaking. The door creaked loudly as I opened it. Now, what this action is called? He seems to be dealing with a terrible case of a sniffle. It looks similar to sniffle, but it's not sniffle. Watch it carefully. And the correct answer is sneeze. I sneezed loudly and startled everyone in the room. Our next question. What is this sound of leaves called? Listen carefully. And the correct answer is leaves rustling. I was walking through the forest and I could hear the leaves rustling. Here is our next question. This emoji shows laughing or chuckling. The correct answer is chuckling. Chuckling is softer than laughing. Here we end our rapid fire test and I hope all of you have done really well. Don't forget to share your marks with me and thanks for watching.